Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So it's time to celebrate now, definitely, my friend, because this is absolutely a good update. Now you can see here plus 2.38% profit now in upcoming time. There is a lot of chances, my brothers, today will move upward now. So let's see. In this video, I will predicate this coin. I will do a technical analysis, and after that, I share my personal opinion. Also, my personal experience. Can this is very good, my friend, for investment or not? Let's get started a brand video. But before I get started video, kindly request subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos more notification. Thank you so much. Alright, come to the point. Now, but first of all, as you can see here, this time the last 24-hour chart. So in last 24-hour, Cardano will take a very huge jump, and I celebrate, my brother. I'm very happy and very excited to see this. To after a very long time, as you can see, my brother, they will take a huge jumps now. So congratulations, my brother. In upcoming time, there is a 70% chance so they will move upward, but it's possible if a holder are holding. If a holder are starting selling, so definitely they will fail down. So that's all just in only, my friends, depends on holders and investor, my friend, who invest, my friend. So therefore, if you are hold, so I hope they will move upward now. Let's see, my brother, the last 7 days chart, and after that I predicate this coin, and I will give you, my friend, my personal experience to what's going on next. My brother, after a fails, every coin will take a very huge jump now. So it's time to jump, and absolutely, my friend, in the same time they will move upward. Don't see, my friend, the short jump. You can see here the short fail. Just in only see the average, my brother. Absolutely, that's all depend, my friend. You can see here after a short fails, they will shortly fail dumps and shortly jumps. But definitely, my friend, after a long dumps, there is a long jump. So kindly holder, hope you understand. To upcoming time, there is a lot of chances so they will move upward, but also, my friend, there is a chance so they will dumps down, because after a jump they will take a dump now. So hope you understand. Please be honestly, my brothers, subscribe our YouTube channel. ABS6 channel will update you every time, updating you, my brother. When they fails down, ABS6 channel will update you. So you just press the bell icon for videos notifications. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.